everyone. The video is to introduce the powerful economic Sinca pocket radio Tesenho TH282. It is pocket size, easy to carry. The core idea is realize unlimited talking range, safe communication costs. The standard packing includes mainly belt cable, antenna, chargers, and battery. Standard powerful battery with big capacity, 5100 mAh. Optional thinner battery for better hand feeling. Have two options of chargers for choosing. The radio can be 90% charged within 2 hours with optional quick charging charger. For radio display, have two optional languages, English and Spanish. Pocket radio work with Sinca. The talking range is unlimited. Can realize group call, friends call, user private call. Press PPT to talk. The receiver radio will display the last caller information when finished. One of outstanding functions is emergency call. Press the side third key 3 seconds to send SOS APIs to group members and dispatcher. Repeat the operation to cancel SOS. Dispatcher can check the location and make call to user when necessary. TH282 also able to receive the message from dispatcher. Clear sound prompt when message received. Enter item dispatcher and message to check. This is a brief introduction of TH282. At the end, we'll show company information and product link. Welcome to inquire if interested in learning more details. Thank you for watching.